In this example, we're going to take a look at another type of electrode problem. Here we have an electrode that we want to make for this detail, but it opens on the side here, and there's draft on those walls. So let's see about creating this electrode. So I'll go to Create Electrode, based on that plane, that part, go in Z negative. We'll say orbiting, and I want to start by imprinting from that point to that point. Now I can say OK and select my face. And here it selects too many faces, so I'm just going to simply deselect the faces I don't want and say OK. I'm going to say no base. I'm going to set that to 0, and I'll set that to an 1/8 inch extension, and we'll go with 10 thousandths. We'll say OK. Here you can see it grabbed all those base radiuses. I'll say OK. However, here it kind of screws up. You can see that the model is kind of blowing up here in the corner. I'll show you another way to do this. The reason for the blow up is because of this inverted draft condition. When we're coming against this wall and we're telling it to extend, it doesn't know what to do. This is draft for a normal shutoff. So in this case, what I'm going to do first is modify this model. Set this to 0 degrees for both this and this. Calculate from that plane. Now it's vertical. And now we'll go back to electrode. Again, orbit. Again, we're going to imprint. And the reason we're doing the imprint again is because I globally undid everything. And this time, I'm going to select my face. Deselect what I don't want. Say OK. Modify my values to where I want them. Say OK. Again, we find the radiuses, and OK. So here you can see the shift has been made, the extra faces have been added. Now here, if you want a little bit of an overlap, you can go to the Add Remove Matter. Let's say we want an 1/8 inch more. Select my faces back here. And that electrode's good to go now.